Hi everyone, my name is Akurede Adenike. You're welcome back to my channel. This is the first time of you checking on my channel. Please like, share and subscribe to support my channel. Today I'm drafting out underbust jackets. Some people used to call it monkey jacket because it's a very small jacket. So the measurements I need for this jacket are my bust, my waist and the length of the jacket. So I'm using the biggest part of the jacket I'm cutting, which is bust. My bust will be divided into 4. 38 divided into 4 will give me 9.5. So I will now add 2 inches seam allowance to it. But firstly, I'm going to get the length of the jacket. This will be my shoulder measurement. From there to the length of my jacket. The length of my jacket, because my underbust measurement is 13.5. That 13.5, I will now add 2 inches to it because I'm cutting the back first. The back will be longer than the front. 2 inches plus 13.5, that will give me 15.5. Plus 1.5 inch seam allowance, that will give me 17. So at the shoulder here, I'm going to measure. My back is 15 divided into 2, that will give me 7.5 plus half inch seam allowance, that's 8 inches. So my neck width is 3 inches. The depth of my neck is 3 inches also. 2 inches. 2 inches. So I'm going to connect it. So at the shoulder here, I'm going to come down by 1 inch, 1 inch for shoulder slope. From here now, I'm going to measure my chest line. My chest line will be the half of my armhole. My armhole is 18 divided by 2 is 9 plus 2 inches. That my jacket will be long, that the back will be longer than the front. That will give me 11 inches. So on that too, I'm going to input that my shoulder measurement. So I'll now connect it. So here now, I'll connect here my shoulder slope. After that, I'm going to place my bust measurement here, quarter of it, because I folded my pattern paper into 2. So my bust divided by 4 is 9.5 plus 2 inches seam allowance, that will give me 11. Here's a 9.5. So I'm going to connect my armhole, back armhole like this. 9.5, then 2 inches seam allowance, that will give me 11.5. So on my waist, my underbust line, my underbust is 32 divided by 4 is 8 inches plus 2 inches seam allowance. This is 8 inches plus 2 inches seam allowance, that give me 10 plus 1 inch that, because I'm going to add that to it. So you just connect it like this. So I'm going to cut it out. So I'm using this back to get the front. Like I said earlier, I said the back, this is the back of the jacket. The back will be longer than the front. So that 2 inches that the back used to longer than the front, I'll just fold it like this. I'll fold that 2 inches that make it longer than the front. I'll fold it like this. So after folding it like that, I'll now put another pattern paper and fold like this. I'll fold it into 2 for the front. So I'll place it on it like this. So now cut it out. Cut it out like this. So to get my neck for the front, I will open the one high fold like this, place it very well to get my front, to get my neck and the shoulder slope. My neck and the shoulder slope. Trace it out like this. So my neck width, which is 3, is there. So I'll now shape it out like this. That's why it's called monkey jacket or underbust jacket. I have to shape it like this. So I'll now cut it out. Before cutting out finally, let me measure out the dart. So I'm going to join the shoulder like this. The shoulder will be joined like this with 1/2 inch. So from the shoulder here, I'll measure 12 inches. So from here now, my bust span, nipple to nipple, is 3.5. Is 7 inches divided into 2. That will be 3.5 plus 1/2 inch seam allowance. That will give me 4. Measure the 4 out like this. So to get the remaining one, I'll just open it like this, like this, like this. So here now, so that is how I'm going to get my dart. So I'll now pull a straight line here on the both side. Here now, I will measure 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. So I'll now sew it like this. If it is the fabric, I'll just sew it like this from here down to here with 1/2 inch. So I'll now shape my front out. Shape it out like this. That's it. So Here is how it's going to be. This is the back pattern of the monkey jacket, and this is the front. So this is how it's going to be. After finishing it, you can wear it on anything. Try it at home. As you can see, it's so simple to make, to draft out. So you sew your dart for the front and sew your dart for the back. Join the shoulder and the side. That's all. If you find this my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching.